Today, we're exploring the journey of Byrraju Ramalinga Raju, the former chairman of Satyam Computer Services, whose 2009 confession to a 7,000 crore accounting fraud sent shockwaves through the global corporate world. Once the celebrated poster boy of the Indian IT industry, Raju's admission that he was riding a tiger and didn't know how to get off led to his dramatic downfall and years of legal battles. So where is Satyam Ramalinga Raju now? Let's find out. As of now, Ramalinga Raju is a free man, having been out on bail for several years while his 2015 conviction remains under appeal. He maintains an incredibly private life, primarily residing at his home in the Jubilee Hills neighborhood of Hyderabad. While he has largely retreated from the public eye to focus on research and reading, he remains occupied behind the scenes, reportedly mentoring his sons and overseeing family business interests. His name returned to the headlines in late 2024 and early 2025 due to new controversies surrounding Brain Enterprises, an AI-focused IT company owned by his family. Though Raju serves only as a mentor for the firm, it has faced intense criticism and public hearings led by the Telangana government over allegations of duping thousands of employees and failing to pay salaries. Where is Satyam Ramalinga Raju now? As of now, Ramalinga Raju is residing in Hyderabad, India, continuing his quiet life as a consultant and family mentor while his legal team manages his ongoing appeals. On December 31, 2025, his story reached a global audience once again when Netflix finally released the long-delayed fourth episode of its Bad Boy Billionaires India docuseries, titled Riding the Tiger. The release followed years of legal resistance from Raju, which finally concluded when a Hyderabad civil court vacated the injunction restraining the streaming platform. Professionally, Raju's legacy is now defined by the collapse of his former empire, which was acquired and successfully integrated into Tech Mahindra years ago. In early 2026, he remains under the scrutiny of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, and other regulatory bodies as they continue to monitor the aftermath of the Satyam scandal. Ramalinga Raju has transformed from an international tech icon into a cautionary figure of corporate governance. While he has managed to avoid returning to prison for the last decade, he continues to live under the shadow of his past actions, proving that even a bad boy billionaire can never truly step off the tiger once the ride is over. Thanks for watching the video. If you want more episodes on the rise and fall of major industry figures, don't forget to follow along for more updates.